In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open an American Express checking account. We'll walk through the process from start to finish so you know exactly what to expect, what information you'll need, and how to wrap things up smoothly. By the end, you'll be ready to submit your application with confidence and start managing your new account online or on your phone. Start by heading to the official American Express personal checking page in your browser. Type the address directly or use a trusted search engine and look for the official American Express site. Make sure the web address shows a secure connection before entering any details. Using the latest version of your browser and a private, secure network will help keep your information safe. Once you're on the correct page, select Open Account to begin. This takes you into the application flow. If you already have an American Express online profile, you may be prompted to sign in so your basic details can pre-fill. If not, you can continue as a new applicant and enter everything from scratch. Next, provide your personal information. You'll be asked for your full legal name, residential address, date of birth, and social security number. This is standard for banks to verify your identity and comply with regulations. Double check for accuracy and be sure your address matches your identification records to avoid delays. Having a government-issued ID nearby can help you confirm details as you go. Take your time here. Correct information speeds up approval. After that, you'll review eligibility and the account terms. This usually includes disclosures about how the account works, any fees or limits, how your information is used, and consent to receive documents electronically. Read everything carefully and save or print a copy of the terms for your records. If something isn't clear, pause and review the help resources on the page before agreeing. When you're ready, submit your application for review and approval. The system will verify your identity and information. Many approvals are quick, but occasionally additional verification may be needed. Keep an eye on your email for updates and respond promptly if any documents are requested. Once you're approved, your account is set up and ready to use. You can manage it through the American Express mobile app or the website. After you sign in, explore features like viewing balances and transactions, setting up alerts, and enabling security options such as multi-factor authentication. Bookmark the login page or install the official app for faster access next time. And that's it. Now you know how to open an American Express checking account.